Netizens are loving leaked photos of Shah Rukh and Deepika from the sets of King. They are shooting for a song sequence in Cape Town and both look absolutely dashing in these leaked pics. Okay, quick context. The photo is taken on the sets of the movie King, which is Siddharth Anand's directorial and Red Chillies production. SRK is in the lead and Deepika is paired opposite him as the lead actress. Suhana Khan is making her theatrical debut and the movie has a stacked supporting cast including Abhishek Bachchan, Arshad Varsi, Jaideep Ahlawat and many more. The team has been shooting in Cape Town, South Africa for what looks like a song sequence. And like every Shah Rukh Khan's film since Pathaan, the no photos policy held for exactly thode din. An ex-user dropped the pictures and within hours, they were all over social media. In the pictures, Deepika is spotted in a flowy kaftan-style dress, hair down in soft curls and absolutely glowing. Shah Rukh is in a striped mesh shirt, navy trousers, rocking a new hairstyle and holding Deepika's hand as they walk. Bas itna hi hai picture mein, but all the fans are loving this look. तो चलिए देखते हैं क्यों. Reason number 1. Shah Rukh is looking insanely handsome. And I don't mean good for 60. Look at him, yaar. He looks way better in these leaked behind-the-scenes pics than he did in the last few films. I just hope they don't use all that crappy CGI to de-age him and make him look not so Badshah. I seriously hate those skin-smoothing artificial looks. So do all SRK fans. Indian audiences are getting visually literate enough to spot the post-production, and they're tired of it. Whether King listens? That, my friends, is between Sid Anand and his colorist. Reason number 2. Deepika is shooting King and Atlee's Raka, both of them, while pregnant. Quick recap for anyone who missed it. Deepika and Ranveer announced their second pregnancy in April. They posted a cute joint Instagram post with their daughter Dua holding the positive test. The whole internet melted after their announcement. And now, weeks later, she's in Cape Town shooting a song sequence with SRK and also shooting intense action sequences for Raka opposite Allu Arjun. Reports say Atlee is using a body double for the heavy action stuff in Raka, but she's continuing to film throughout. The baby bump isn't visible in the leaked pics, but some netizens are saying her small baby bump is showing. पर मुझे तो कुछ नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है यार. Honestly, forget the leak. The actual story here is one of the biggest stars in the country doing 2 A-list productions while pregnant. ये ही headline होना चाहिए था. But this is gossip, तो हम यहाँ हैं. Reason number 3, and this one is spicy. Fans have noticed something. Every leak from King so far has been SRK, or SRK and Deepika, or SRK looking handsome. Suhana Khan kahan hai bhai? When King was announced, the entire pitch was Suhana's theatrical debut. SRK is mentoring his daughter on screen, family legacy moment. SRK's role was reportedly an extended cameo. वो थी original story. Now, it's looking more and more like SRK is the lead, Deepika is the female lead, and Suhana is somewhere. They are leaking so many BTS pics of SRK, but nothing of Suhana. But this was supposed to be Suhana's film? Nahi? We don't know the exact answer, but the Archies did not land. Suhana's performance was panned by both audience and critics. So it's not crazy to think the production team has changed their marketing to lead the movie with Shah Rukh and Deepika rather than Suhana. Reason number 4. And bhai, koi to bole ye. Are these even leaks? Think about it, yaar. Pathaan shoot had random leaked set photos go viral days before the trailer. Jawan shoot? Same thing. Leaked looks of SRK's bald avatar trending for weeks. And now, King. Red Chillies has one of the tightest no photography policies on set in the industry. Random fan camera nahi chalti wahan. Crew gets NDAs, phones get confiscated. Aur phir bhi, high resolution, well composed, perfectly lit shots of SRK and Deepika looking their best, somehow finds their way to a random X account every single time. Of course, we will never know for sure अगर ये leaked pics थी या planned PR. But honestly, it's working. Netizens are talking, social media is buzzing, and we're sitting here making an entire video about hand-holding photos. So mission accomplished, Team King. Okay, one more thing before we wrap up, because the universe heard us making this video and decided to escalate. Siddharth Anand, the director of King, has just posted an entire formal request on Twitter. The poster says, and I quote, "Request to all the fans. Please do not post or circulate any leaked multimedia from the sets of King." भाई, the director is saying this. ये अपील है या threat है? Decide नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. सिद्ध भाई, अगर आप ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, we did not leak anything. We are simply commenting on what's already out there. Please copyright strike मत करना. This channel is barely surviving. हम आपकी side हैं. But also, that poster is hard. अगर ये teaser का hint है, तो I am eating. So to recap, leaked pics from Cape Town, SRK looking like a Renaissance painting, fans are saying no to CGI de-aging, Deepika doing 2 films while pregnant, Suhana mysteriously absent from the marketing, and a sneaking suspicion that none of these leaks are actually leaks. King is likely to release on December 24th, 2026. SRK's first since his 2023 trinity of Pathaan, Jawan and Dunki. ये सब एक song sequence से निकला है, by the way. 1 day of shooting in Cape Town. Imagine December तक क्या निकलेगा. So, what do you think? Is this a genuine BTS leak or Red Chillies PR running on schedule? Or honestly, does it even matter if the pictures are this good? If you enjoyed this, like कर दो, subscribe कर दो, and I'll see you in the next one यार. फिर मिलते हैं.